Welcome to Waugh Chapel Condos. Hi, I'm Angie with Ryan Homes. Have you been dreaming of owning a home in the highly desirable Waugh Chapel area, but you thought it might be out of reach? Whether you're ready to stop renting or looking for a simpler lifestyle with less maintenance, I'd love to show you why these new condos may be exactly what you've been looking for. Designed for convenience, comfort, and modern living, these thoughtfully designed floor plans offer up to 2 bedrooms, over 1,500 square feet of living space, and 2 full bathrooms. With spacious, open concept layouts, with room to relax, entertain friends, create a home office, or simply enjoy having a place that's truly your own, here, your routine feels easier. The building features secure entry and elevator access, whether you're bringing in groceries, welcoming guests, or simply looking for the convenience of one-level living. These features help make coming home feel effortless. For working professionals and couples, this community offers a rare opportunity to own in one of the area's most sought-after locations. Instead of paying rent, own your home while staying close to shopping, dining, fitness, and entertainment options that make Waugh Chapel such a popular destination. Our condos offer the comfort of low-maintenance living in a location where daily errands and activities are just minutes away. It's an opportunity to spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying everything the community has to offer. An added bonus is the community room, which gives you even more space to host, gather, or simply connect with your neighbors. At Waugh Chapel Town Center, everyday errands, shopping, dining, and entertainment all come together in one convenient destination. Head to dinner and a movie at Frisco Crofton and the Regal IMAX Theater. Enjoy a quick workout at Orange Theory Fitness, or spend time at the many restaurants and gathering spots throughout Waugh Chapel. The area's entertainment options make it easy to enjoy a spontaneous night out without having to travel far. For errands, you'll love having nearby Wegmans, Target, Sephora, and other essentials right around the corner. Commuters will also appreciate the convenient access to routes 50, 32, and 97, making it easy to reach Annapolis, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and even Fort Meade. Are you ready to stop renting and enjoy the convenience of living in one of the most desirable locations? Waugh Chapel Condos offers the opportunity to own a home and invest in your future. We can't wait to meet you.